Hi guys, Sean Zanganeh here, and we're here to tell you a great story about an amazing family who decided to move to the East Coast and wanted to get top dollar for their home. Come on in as we show you how we turned this home around in 3 weeks. So this family reached out to us many months ago saying, Sean, we want to sell our home. They were super concerned about the condition of the property. Flooring kind of needed to be replaced, it kind of needed to be repainted, and we came in with a plan to help them reach their goals in a budget that worked for them in a really short amount of time. And at that time, we came in, we replaced all the flooring, both upstairs and downstairs, and made this place look tip-top shape for a really reasonable budget. And we were able to do this entire project in less than $20,000. And we were able to add almost $75,000 to $100,000 of value back to the property. If you're a homeowner who's looking to get top dollar for their home and you're overwhelmed with the process of how to get there, make sure you reach out to us for an in-home consultation to help you guys win in the San Diego real estate market. Thanks so much for watching this video and have a great day.